You're my calm in the noise. The world keeps spinning faster. Every day's a crowded storm. Voices clash, hearts get restless. Nothing feels safe or warm, but then I hear your laughter. A quiet melody so true. And suddenly the chaos fades when I'm here with you. I don't need the world to slow down. You make it gentle just by being around. You're my calm in the noise, the place my heart can rest, the gentle hand that steadies me when life is at its test. You're my calm in the noise, the quiet I've been searching for, a love that keeps me grounded and shows me there's more. I've chased illusions of peace in fleeting restless days. I've counted on the wrong people and lost my way in haze. But you don't demand perfection, you just let me be. And in your arms I finally feel how love was meant to breathe. You don't just hear me, you listen. You don't just see me, you understand. You're my calm in the noise, the voice I trust in the storm, a hand to hold when I falter, a love steady and warm. You're my calm in the noise, the shelter in the chaos around, a heart that feels like home where my own can finally be found. I've learned the world will never pause, it will spin, it will shout, it will break. But your love is my anchor, the stillness I always take. Every shout, every worry, every push of the tide fades into quiet when I have you by my side. You're the heartbeat that slows mine, the quiet I didn't know I needed. You're my calm in the noise, the peace I thought I'd lost, the love that teaches patience no matter what it costs. You're my calm in the noise, and I finally understand that love is in chaos, it's the steady touch of your hand. So let the world keep spinning, let it roar, let it fight, I'll always come back to you, my calm